Pwede na sila mag-hold together? Sa hand?
Pwede.
Okay,
So,
anak.
never hold this one natin sa Pilipinas. When you hold the rope lang, hawak ako yung natin. Then din backward ang kumo natin pa sa dulo. When you almost in the end, do like this, lean back, and then taas yung dalawang paa. Good. Speed up, okay?
Rio, hold together your hands with Trey, okay? Have fun.
Hold it.
Okay, have fun. You hold together.
You sit down.
Okay, have fun.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Look back.
You can swim. You can swim. Swim, swim, swim. Swim. Louder, louder.
One more, 1, 2, 3.